Do you want to make money easily and consistently in share market? Are you interested in share market but don't know where to start? Do you feel lost when you see charts and graphs and wonder how to analyze them? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then please don't skip ahead because you need to hear this and it will only take a minute of your time. Welcome to Nifty Indicators, easy way to make money. Nifty Indicators isn't just a YouTube channel, but also a virtual academy where you'll learn how to study, analyze, trust, and follow technical indicators. With 40 plus years of experience, our expert has helped hundreds of students turn their losses into profits by teaching them how to make money consistently in this market. While there are plenty of coaches out there who teach about the share market, with Nifty Indicators, you will learn how to practically apply the concepts you study to make money consistently and easily. And you really can do it. All you need is a little bit of self-discipline, dedication, determination, consistency, and commitment. And you'll be on your way to financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Join us now at Nifty Indicators and make profits a daily routine. Whether you are a complete beginner or a retail trader, Nifty Indicators will help you to learn how to make money easily in share market. So call now on 93726 72102. You can also write to us at niftyindicators@gmail.com.
For more information, call 919-372-67102. And visit our website www.niftyindicators.com to join our financial forum.